you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to optimize performance. Follow this guide to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any games or applications running in the background. Press the Home button, highlight the game you want to close, and press the X button to exit. This can free up resources for better performance. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Some games have settings that can be adjusted for better performance. Check the in-game settings menu for options like graphics quality or performance mode and adjust them to prioritize smoother gameplay. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Go to System Settings, select Data Management, then select Save Data Cloud Backup. From there, you can clear the cache for specific games. Step 5. Use a high-quality charger. Ensure you are using a high-quality charger and that your Switch is adequately powered. Low battery levels can lead to performance issues, so keep your device charged while playing. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in frame stuttering on your Nintendo Switch. Enjoy your gaming.